In daily life, how can we determine if it is genuine platinum? The method is very simple. Use a lighter or flamethrower to heat it. Heat the metal to a red-hot state. Turn off the flame. Then open the gas valve, but do not ignite. When gas meets genuine platinum, platinum will maintain this reddish-brown state indefinitely. I'm not talking about this method that will definitely determine whether it is real platinum, because platinum group metals all have this catalytic property. We also need to consider the appearance density and other physical properties are taken into consideration. Only then can a conclusion be drawn. The most accurate measurement is using a spectrometer. When the platinum wire is in an Erlenmeyer flask containing alcohol, able to maintain a red state. Now I will replace alcohol with methanol. The platinum wire can still maintain its luminescent state. And this time, the light it emitted much brighter than before. Is that all? As you can see, platinum wire ignited methanol. The platinum wire intermittently ignites methanol. After each deflagration causes the oxygen to be completely consumed, just wait for the air to diffuse into the bottle and the conditions are met, preparing to trigger the next ignition. This cycle repeats itself endlessly. Do you think we can base our decision on this principle? Let's develop an engine. This is a great idea, but many years ago, some engineers have put this idea into practice. Players who play with nitro-powered remote control cars and nitro-powered model airplanes. This must be familiar to you. This should be a level 15 methanol engine. Although many remote-controlled toys today use motor-based solutions, however, this small methanol engine, due to its powerful output, still the top choice for racing enthusiasts. You might ask, what is the difference between this and a gasoline engine? This methanol engine operates. No power generation module required. There is no need to detect the piston position for ignition. Therefore, the structure is more streamlined and compact. This type of engine has a cylinder block. There is also a spark plug similar to that of a gasoline engine. To be precise, this is called a hothead. A metal wire was curled up inside. Its dedicated igniter is powered by a nickel-cadmium battery. Voltage 1.2 volts. When the hot burner is powered on, it will emit light and heat. Based on everything we knew before, I'm sure you've already guessed it. This heating wire is made of platinum. I don't believe it. Let's test it out. Heat the metal wire with a blowtorch until it turns red. Then quickly turn off the gas valve and extinguish the flame. Then quickly open the valve. Gas is ejected onto the metal wire. It maintained this red-hot state. If it is a regular heating wire, it is impossible to maintain the continuous operation of this engine. The heating wire cooled down after a few turns. That is all. Let's take a look at this engine. Let's talk about the startup process. The fuel is methanol. Because this engine design is streamlined, no independent lubrication system. Therefore, lubricating oil is also needed. Generally, castor oil. The ratio is approximately 20:1. Then mix the two thoroughly. Of course, you can also add pigments to change the color of the fuel, to prevent others from misusing. Both methanol and ethanol are organic solvents. However, because alcohols contain hydroxyl groups, make it into a polar molecule. This is why gasoline engine lubricating oil is not used directly, because the two are fundamentally incompatible. Whether it is methanol or ethanol, it looks more like water than oil. The starting mechanism is the same as that of a chainsaw, using a pull ring structure, but I still decided starting with a power drill is more convenient. Indeed, it has surging power, but that is not the point. This issue focuses on understanding the application techniques of platinum.